Okay, ultra quick tutorial. You want to select your object and you want to make sure you wrap it. For this, I want this to be the main part of the object. And now, you want to make a color. So we add an image texture. By the way, we have to be in cycles. You want to name it something basic like new brick color. And then we want to make it slightly high quality, like maybe 4K. Make sure you pick diffuse for color, and then we don't want indirect or direct lighting, but only the color value. Make sure metallic is turned off. Bake. While it's baking, I just want you to make sure that you have selected both the object and the texture you want to bake to, and then of course click bake. Nice, we've got this beautiful texture here. Next, we'll just name this one new brick roughness and keep the same values. So we just go roughness. Here, bake. Now, we're making a new metallic texture now. New brick, but we want to bake metallic. We put whatever is here into emission, strength, and then we bake it as an emit. We don't have anything, so we can leave it blank. And then finally, normal. So duplicate one again. Normal. New image. And then now we go to normal. Make sure it's selected on tangent. And then we just bake. Awesome. Now we're just going to plug everything into this principled BSDF with normal map. Of course, says tangent space. Normal map. Plug. Normal. And there. And now we have a fully baked texture. Before we import it into Unity, we need to combine the metallic and the roughness texture real quick. But first, just add a camera. Now for this step, navigate to the Compositing tab. Enable use nodes, get rid of this, and copy the layout I show you in a second. Okay, now we're going to use this little setup to get the smoothness on the alpha channel of the metallic texture. So what we need first is two image components, and we have to set this to the new brick metallic and then the new brick roughness. And then we need to run this to separate color. I think you'll be able to find the rest of the way. We combine the separate color into combined color, except for the alpha, which leave for the invert color, and we plug our roughness image to, so we can change it to smoothness for Unity, and then put it along the metallic alpha. And then we composite and view. Make sure the camera is in the scene, make sure you're in cycles, and make sure you render the image. It should look a bit like this, maybe not exactly like this, but transparent. Make sure that it is in PNG with RGBA for alpha. Now just save this image as the new brick combined PNG, or metallic, or smoothness, and then save. Now after you did that, now what you have to do is save both color and the normal. Just go to the image editor or UV editor, image editor, save as new brick color, and then go to normal image, save as a new brick normal. And then now once you're in Unity, what you want to do, first you need to actually go File, Export, FBX is preferable. Export as FBX, and then brick, new brick. We've got our FBX here. Drag that in. It already has the materials here, but assuming that the materials aren't already plugged in and all working, We create a new material by right-clicking, create material, rec. Then we go to our file, and now we need to get one of each. There's a double here. We need the color, the combined, and the normal. We go here to brick, drag the color into base map, and then now we drag the normal into normal map, and this into metallic map. But there are a few things we need to do. First, with metallic, turn sRGB off and apply. Now with this, go from default to normal map and apply. And now we have the very nice PBR texture in Unity from Blender. Easy as that.